Alright, so today I'm going to show you a life hack. I found a really good way to clean up hair, especially on like kind of short carpet, but it works with long hair carpet as well. For the vacuum, it really just doesn't pick up long pieces of hair, or it kind of jams the vacuum cleaner. So this is my method. You just need a brush right here. I'll show you. This I just got at, I believe my mom got it at like the dollar store or Ross or something. Any bristle will work. It kind of feels like it's like plastic. It's almost like a toilet cleaner bowl brush, but it picks up hair really well and it just sticks it on. So let me focus on the ground. There it is. And let me just go ahead and you just kind of sweep back and forth, and it'll just stick. It'll just stick onto the brush if you could focus it. Look at all that just gets stuck on. Your vacuum cleaner will not pick up as much as the simple brush. You just stroke it and it will stick on like a magnet. So let me just continue cleaning up the floor. So once a ginormous amount like this is stuck on the brush, just go ahead and peel it off. Just throw it away in the trash right away. I don't have the trash bin right next to me, so I'll just put it on that little container right here. And yeah, you just keep on doing this. Yeah, so it really picks it up, which I'm super impressed with. No vacuum cleaner has been able to pick up all the hair on the carpet as well as this method. And it's like really affordable to just grab a brush. And if you have any like carpet staining, you could just take a little brush like this and some soap, and then it'll get the stain right out. Alright, so this is the after. So you can see much cleaner, and it just literally took like less than like 30 seconds or so, and everything's just on the tray ready to be trashed. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Hit the like button and subscribe.